welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to make rosemary hair oil to prevent hair loss and to promote hair growth. All we have to do is just follow easy steps. We need an empty container and rosemary and extra virgin olive oil. So all we have to do is just take rosemary leaves, make sure they are cleaned and washed and dry, and just make them in little pieces like this. Cut them, put it in the container like this, which I already have cut all. The majority of them are already in small pieces, so it's easy for me just to push it in. Okay, that's all you have to do, and then just put extra virgin olive oil in there. This oil will be ready in 3 to 4 months because we have to go through the fermentation process. In between that period, it will release its extract in the oil, and that's how we get the oil ready. Just fill it up to the mouth of the container and make sure all the rosemary leaves are all dipped well in the oil. That's it. And that's it, guys. Just close it tightly. Leave it in the sun for 3 to 4 months, and after that your oil is ready. It's full of nutrition and it's really good to promote hair growth as well. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.